welcome to you. My name is Nike. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and to all my returning subscribers, you guys are absolutely amazing. Thanks for all the love, thanks for all the support. You guys are the real MVPs. Oh, and real quick guys, today is my birthday. Woo! So wish me happy birthday in the comment section, okay? Today is May 8th and I'm so excited. I'm thankful to God for a new year in my life, a chance to start all over again. You know, it's such a blessing. But anyway, real quick, let's do this unboxing of this product that was sent to me by How. They are sellers of luxury items and they did send me this beautiful package. So what good way, what birthday gift, what better way for me to do this review than on my birthday, huh? So this is a Dior bag. So let's go ahead. You guys can see it's in a beautiful Dior box, as you guys can see. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up and see what is in here. So right here we do have the bag itself. It's in the dust bag, and here we do have the okay, so let's put this to the side real quick. Here we do have the Dior. This is the ribbon that comes with the box, and this is the paper bag in itself. And here we do have the receipts and every other details about the bag. As you guys can see, the dust bag is so thick, it's beautiful, it's classy. So let's go ahead and take this out real quick. You know what? Okay. Wow. It was really wrapped in the dust bag. I don't know why I'm saying back. Anyway, so what bag is this? This is actually the Dior Cherry Patent Cannage Calfskin bag, 21 by 11 by 4 centimeter bag. This is so cute, guys. What do you guys think? The bag is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I was the one that picked this out. And then here we do have this beautiful Dior charms that says D-I-O-R, Dior on it. It is lovely. We're gonna go ahead and take this off and see what this is looking like here. Oh my days, this is so beautiful, guys. Do you guys see that? I love it. But before we open the bag, let's go ahead and take this off. The hardware I do see here is protected as well. Has a protected covering. Let's go ahead and take this off. I'm so excited about this bag, guys. I'm taking this off. Oops. Then we're gonna go ahead and take this coverings on the charms, the Dior charm. Wow, this is such a cute dinner purse. You know what, it's so much, guys. I'll take it off later. And then we go ahead to open the bag. It's a cute purse, guys. Such a cute, oh my god, this is beautiful, guys. What do you guys think of my new purse? And then here it does have a long strap. Oh my days, let us take this out. And then it even has a Dior lock here. Give me 1 second, guys. It's so much to be taking off right now. So let's just go ahead and take this out real quick. This is so classy. And on the hardware here, it does have it here written CD, Christian Dior CD. So beautiful. This is so beautiful. This is so beautiful, guys. I love it. Okay, let's go ahead and take it out. And this is what it is looking like, guys. It is so classy. I'd like to put this on the bag, but real quick, let's see if I can do that now. Okay, so it does have the stuff where you can hang it on here. You guys see that? so beautiful. It is different. It is classy. It is stylish. I love it, guys. Oh, I haven't taken the protective covering off of this. Alright guys, I'm gonna have to fix the strap. It was a hassle, a little bit of a hassle. I don't know if it's because I'm in a hurry because I'm about to step out. But anyway guys, let's go ahead and see what the inside of the bag is looking like real quick. I do see here that it does have 3 compartments. This is 1, 2, and then 3. This is a zipper. And then also at the back, it does have a compartment here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Here it does have another compartment. Real quick, for me, I always make use of this because most times I'm always like in a hurry. And then once you fix the strap, this is what the bag is looking like. Remember guys, this is the Dior cherry patent Cannage Calfskin bag, and it comes in the 21 by 11 by 4 centimeter. It is such a beautiful classy bag, as you guys can see. I just love every simple detail about it. I love the strap in itself. It comes in the leather itself, and it also comes with a chain strap with a beautiful hardware here that has CD on it. This is different. This is not like your regular the strap hooks. This is like a padlock strap hook, and it has CD written on it. That is Christian Dior. And then also you could, oh my gosh, I love this, guys. I'm gonna stand up, just, you know, go put my shoe on, put my jacket on because I'm a little bit cold right now. And then I'm gonna show you guys what this is looking like when you pick it up and how you can hold it. But real quick, before we do all of that, let's go ahead and see what can go in this bag. I always do have my bags here. This is my last Dior bag that I reviewed on my channel. So real quick, I'm gonna go ahead and see what can fit into the bag. I always like to have my jotters because, guys, I like to take notes down a lot. Sometimes I forget, you know, so I love to take down notes. Let's start with my wallet. In fact, you know what, let's take out that jotter. Let's start with my wallet. I always have my everyday wallet in here. My wallet has everything I need, guys. It has my card, it has everything inside of it. So I start with my wallet. You guys see that? And then I go in with my phone because I always have to have my phone with me. So let's see where this can fit into. So this bag is such a classy bag. You don't want to put too much into it. For me, I think one phone and just my wallet is fine. I don't even think I need my jotter and my second phone. So I mean, it always depends on the kind of occasion and the kind of bag you're carrying. So do you guys see that? It is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, it is so pretty. But this is it, guys. This is what it's looking like. It's such a beautiful bag.
Everyone needs a shoulder to cry on. Everyone needs a helping hand. Everyone needs someone to rely on. Yes, everyone needs a friend. So let's come together, celebrate each other, stand united as one. We lift our hands up and pray, lay all our love before Him with all of our faith. He is the change within us, there is a light. Let Him lead the way, lift our hands up and pray today. Oh, pray. Everyone needs somebody to lean.
This bag is so beautiful and classy. I love every single detail about the bag. Do you guys see that? You can hold it with different styles, which I did try to show you guys there, depending on your mood at that moment. I mean, do you guys see it? It is so beautiful. I love the color. The color just makes it stand out, and it's classy, guys. Remember, I will be dropping all the details that you guys need in the description down below. And if you want to get this bag, remember to check out How. I will drop the link. And also, if you use my code Nikki, you do get $30 off, which I think is a great deal. The bag is not so expensive. Who is gonna know, guys? Who is gonna know? You want to stand out, you want to show out. You don't need to break the bank to look beautiful. You don't need to break the bank to hold a very beautiful bag. Okay, guys? After all, who are the producers of this bag? So go ahead, check the link in the description, check out How, and make sure you use my code, okay? The bag is so classy. I love every single detail about the bag, guys. Do you guys see it? It is such a beautiful bag. I love the charms. I love everything about the bag, to the strap as well. And if you know you are a lover of quality, beautiful things, do not hesitate to go ahead and buy this bag for yourself. You could buy it as a gift. I mean, if you want to buy me a second one and you click on the link, I'm here, or send it to me. Everything that you need to know, check my YouTube bio, you will find it. Holla at your girl, okay? It's so classy. I love it, guys. Did I say it? It is an elegant bag. It is not your regular purse. Good for evening outings like I'm going right now. You know, good for date nights, hangouts, depending on the kind of hangouts. But that's it, guys. Remember to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe, and check them out. And I'll see you guys in my next video. You guys are amazing. Bye.